Welcome to our lesson, Unit 5, Family Ties. Trong bài trước, chúng ta đã làm quen với kỹ năng nghe Listening for Reasons and Explanation. Phần ngữ pháp, chúng ta học về trợ động từ trong câu hỏi. Phần phát âm, chúng ta học về ngữ điệu trong câu hỏi với từ O. Trong bài học tiếp theo của bài 5 hôm nay, chúng ta tiếp tục học về kỹ năng nghe Listening for Reasons and Explanation. Vocabulary, word families, and speaking, expressing opinions. Sau đây là những từ vựng sẽ xuất hiện trong bài nghe. Hãy nghe và nhắc lại. Listen and repeat. Save, slave, database, identity, ancestors, input, participant, records. Again, save, slave, database, identity, ancestors, input, participant, records. For the meaning, you can look up the words in the dictionary to help you understand more in Vietnamese. Read the sentences. Circle the answer that best matches the meaning of each word. Here are the answers. Search. It means look for. Slave. It means a person who is owned by another person. Database. It means information organized and stored in a computer. Identity. It means someone's physical appearance. Ancestor. It means relatives who lived a long time ago. Input. It means ideas and information. Participant. It means someone who takes part in something. Records. It means files of information. You are going to listen to a lecture describe how a group of famous African Americans use DNA to learn more about their family history. The lecture explains how the information affects their identities. Write 2 questions you would like to ask about your family history. Now let's listen to the lecture. Check the statement that best states the main idea of the lecture. Listen to the lecture again. Circle the correct answer. Discuss the questions in a group. What can you learn about your ancestor with DNA analysis? The next question. Do you want to do a DNA analysis to learn about your ancestors? Why or why not? Vocabulary skill. Word families, verbs, nouns, and adjectives. Word families are groups of words usually based on the same root and head word. When you learn a new word, try to learn different from the word at the same time. You can often find word families listed together in the dictionaries. Complete each sentence with the correct word from Activity A. Use a dictionary to check your answers. Now we move to speaking skill, expressing opinions. When you express an opinion, you usually introduce your idea with words that signal an opinion. Look at the examples. In my view, these stories show that we were born with a tendency to have a certain personality. For me, friends and family are different, even though I love both. I feel that I now understand more about myself and where I come from. In the writer's opinion, no one should have to have DNA analysis. Như vậy, trong 4 ví dụ này chúng ta thấy những cụm từ được sử dụng để bày tỏ quan điểm. Đó là những cụm từ như sau. In my view, for me, I feel that. In the writer's opinion. Listen to the speakers express opinions. Write the phrases they use to introduce their opinions. Now I want you to work with your partner. Work in pair. Take turns answering the questions and expressing your opinions. Use expressions from the speaking skill box and other expressions you know to signal your opinions. You can choose one of the following questions, or you can answer all of them. 1. Which of the people is more a part of your family? A cousin you never met or your best friend? Why? 2. How do you define the word home? Does it have to be the place where your family lives? 3. When married people talk about having children, they often say, we are going to start a family. Can two married people be a family if they don't have children? This is the end of the lesson. Thanks for your listening. Goodbye.